Hey there, my name is Max Gagnon, and this is my website I made for my final website project, Giovanni's Pizzeria. Getting right into it about covering the rubric. For the functional requirements, I do have 9 web pages, a contact us, about us, locations, the FAQ, a loyalty program, and then from here you can go to sign up, which is where the form is kept. There's also a catering menu as well as a normal menu. The loyalty program does hold the required table, which has a table for what rewards are available at certain point values. I do have the 5 all for the links. My relative links come in the form of the nav bar going to all my different pages, and then the absolute links are at the bottom in my footer, linking to the company's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Moving on to the design requirements, the whole website maintains a consistent color scheme. It's easy on the eyes, easy to read. At least 2 of the pages do contain floats, one of those being the home screen, which floats are contained right here, and then in the menu there's floats as well as in the about us. Also, there are different colors and for the and styling for the links. I also have the required Google font imported. Use that throughout as domain. And then finally, for design, it is also mobile first, so everything should look good for all the different displays. Everything's example the menu, it stops being floated and everything's black. And then as we move to the tablet, different things are added since we have a larger display size, and then once we get back to the full laptop size, we take advantage of that. Moving on to the SEO. Each web page does have its own title, as well as all of the description tags and everything else we might need. The links are all descriptive, as well as all of the images have alt text. Moving on to accessibility, once again, alt text on all the images. We have all of the links are held within a nav class so that screen readers are more easily can understand what's going on. And for the table, we have a caption right here. And that's good for accessibility. Moving on to the form itself. If we go to that through the loyalty program, the form is reactive based on the viewport. So if we go to a mobile viewport, everything's black, and then tablet, the radio buttons become on the same line. Let's go to the laptop. We've got the text fields on. It's the same line, 2 per line, and then everything's reactive. When you submit and reset stuff, the stuff that is required is marked appropriately. And that about does it for the requirements of the project. Regarding what I feel is the best part of my website, I really like how the menu came out style-wise. I like the box shadow and rounded corners. It almost feels like a menu on top of the page. I also like the color scheme. It's nice and simple, easy to read. Got a good logo. Fits well with the theme of being an Italian restaurant. What was the most challenging part of the website? I would have to say is the nav bar, since it incorporates a drop-down bar to, you know, hide some of the links so that it's less cluttered. I never done a drop-down bar before, so it was a good challenge, and probably one of the more challenging parts of this website. That about does it for my presentation or demonstration of my final project website. I hope this helped you in understanding what it's about. Thank you.